Hey there! Thank you for watching a new video. I've got a new stitch for you, and it's this one. It's the peacock stitch. And you can see here the feathers of the peacock when he's opening up his feathers. And there are some, well, bars between them so you can see the peacock's feathers very good. So there's a front and a back. And before I'm going to show you how you can crochet this stitch, I want to ask if you could subscribe to my channel if you did not already do that, and turn on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And if you want to help me develop my channel, there are 2 links in the description below where you can help me. And for now I just want to show you how to crochet this stitch. It's just a 2-row repeat. I've got my yarn and I've got a crochet hook of 5mm. So I'm gonna make a slip knot first, and this pattern calls for multiples of 10 plus 2. So first we're gonna make a multiple of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna make it this wide, so I need to add 2 more. So 1 and 2. And now for this first row, I'm gonna skip that first stitch. In the next one I'm gonna make a single crochet. Now we're gonna skip 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next one I'm gonna make 9 triple crochets. So yarn over twice, in that same stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So do this 8 more times. So yarn over twice, in that same stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It's all in its very same stitch. So this was number 3, here's number 4. This is number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now repeat this. Skip 4 stitches, and in the next one make a single crochet. And then skip 4 stitches, and the next one make 9 triple crochets. All in just 1 stitch. This makes the peacock feathers. It's just a big cluster of 9 triple crochets. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So continue what you just did by skipping 4 stitches, and in the next make a single crochet. And I'm at the end now, so I'm having a single crochet in the last stitch, just like this. For row 2 we're gonna chain 4, turn our work, and this chain 4 counts as a triple crochet, and into that first stitch we're going to make 1 more triple crochet. So the beginning is 2 times a triple crochet. Now chain 3, skip the first 4 triple crochets, and into the next, that's the center, the 5th, I'm going to make a single crochet. Now chain 3, skip the next 4 triple crochets, and go over to that single crochet of the previous row and make 2 triple crochets. So 1 and 2, and just repeat this for the rest of your row. Chain 3, and in the center of your peacock feathers, so skip the first 4, 1 2 3 4, and in the 5th, it's the center, make a single crochet. Now chain 3, skip the next 4 triple crochets and go over into that single crochet. For me it's the last one. Make 2 triple crochets. And if your work is wider, just continue this until you are at the end. So you started with 2 triple crochets where the first 4 chains counted as a triple crochet, so you need to end with 2 triple crochets too. So for row 3, chain 1, turn your work. Between those 2 triple crochets, you're gonna make a single crochet. And now skip that chain 3 and go over to that single crochet which you made in the center of your peacock feathers. Make 9 triple crochets, all in that one single crochet over here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and just continue what I'm going to show you next. So between those 2 triple crochets, make a single crochet. And then into that single crochet over here next to the chain 3, make 9 triple crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Just continue this by the end of the row, and at the end you can have 2 options. You can make a single crochet between those stitches, so you chain 4 and your triple crochet, but I like to make my single crochet in the top of the 4th stitch, so 1 2 3 4, and I like to make my single crochet over there. So now just repeat rows 2 and row 3. So I'm going to show you one more time how row 2 goes. Chain 4, this counts as a triple crochet, and turn your work, and in that first stitch we make 1 more triple crochet, so you start with 2 triple crochets in fact. Now chain 3, and in the center of your 9 triple crochets, so 1 2 3 4, you skip 4, and in the 5th, that's the center, make a single crochet, chain 3, skip the next 4 triple crochets, and into that single crochet over here make 2 triple crochets, so 1 and 2, chain 3, and in the center of your 9 triple crochets, so skip 4, 1 2 3 4, and in the 5th make a single crochet, chain 3, and then skip the next 4 triple crochets, and I'm already at the end now, but in the single crochets you're gonna make 2 triple crochets, 1 and 2, And then just go ahead with row 2 with your peacock feathers. And this is how you make the peacock stitch. So if you like it, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.